Hey guys, what's up? It's 2020, January 1st, beginning of a new decade. Glad that you're here with me, glad that you made it. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome to Shot by Chuka. On this channel, I talk about videography and photography related stuff. I give tips, tutorials, and once in a while, I throw in a cinematic vlog. So hit the subscribe button and let's get into today's topic. 3 mistakes you shouldn't make as a beginner videographer. These are mistakes I made when I newly started videography, and I'm shooting this video right now so that you don't make the same mistakes. So let's go. Number 1, thinking you need so many gear to make good videos. Big fat lie. I bought so many gear when I first got into videography, and if anything, it just made the whole learning process kind of complicated, because you have so many camera gear that you don't know how to use, and learning how to use them can be overwhelming because there are lots. So the 2 main things that you need as a videography are 1, a camera body, and 2, a lens, and maybe a microphone or tripod if you're feeling lucky. But the 2 main things you need first are a camera body and a lens. Also get 1 or 2 spare batteries just to be safe, so that you won't run out of juice when shooting an event or whatnot. If you're just starting out in videography, get a camera such as the Canon 80D or the T7i, or if you want to go mirrorless, get the Canon M50. If you get the camera brand new, high chances are it will come with a kit lens. So now you have a camera body and a lens. Learn how to use the camera, watch a lot of YouTube tutorials, go out there and shoot. Your first videos will be your worst videos, but that's okay. The more you practice, the better you will get. I repeat, the more you practice, the better you will get. When you've got it so good with the camera body and lens that you have, then you can start considering getting things like gimbal, drone, and so on and so forth. So get very good with the little gear that you initially have, then start adding to your collection little by little. Fun fact, there are people out there using their iPhones and are making better videos than people using $2,000 camera bodies. It's about the skill, the expertise, how well you know how to use the little that you have. Note that. So don't forget, you don't need so many gear to make good videos. Tip number 2, not shooting with intention. And what do I mean by this? I mean, don't just shoot any Dick and Harry that you see. Shoot with a purpose in mind. You should only shoot things that go in accordance with the story you are trying to tell. There's a saying that it's better to shoot too much than to shoot too little. While I agree with that, let me just refine it a bit. It's better to shoot too much intended clips than to shoot too little. By doing this, you're going to shoot less overall, and you're also going to save a lot of time and energy when editing the videos. And like they say, time is money. The faster you are at properly editing a video, the better. If you shoot without intention, you're going to have so many clips to work with when editing, and you're going to have to cut so many away, which can really be exhausting. So remember, tip number 2, shoot with intention. 3rd mistake you should not make: comparing yourself to others. You watch all these YouTube videos and stuff, you see how people are doing so well, making great videos. You go on Instagram, you see how people are killing it, making mad cinematic videos. Don't be scared, relax, you just started. Those people probably have years of experience. When they started, probably were making really shitty videos. The only reason why you have seen them now balling, making really great videos, is because they have endured the test of time. They kept on going. Even after making bad videos, they kept on going, they kept on shooting until they eventually became good. You'll be asking yourself, when will I become as good as this person? Or when do I become as good as that person? The truth is that you're going to get as good, if not better, than the person that you're admiring if you decide to put in the work. Every single day you're putting in the work. You are learning, you are applying, and you are repeating that same process. You learn, you go out there, you shoot, you apply what you have learned, and then you repeat. You go back, you learn how to do this, you learn how to do that. You come again, you shoot, you apply what you have learned into your shooting process, and then you repeat. Keep on doing that, keep on doing that, keep on doing that, keep on doing that. You're going to get really good. People out there that are killing it wearing boring foreheads. Some aren't even naturally talented, they just put in the work. They're just very hardworking. Kind of like Ronaldo. People say Ronaldo is very hardworking, while Messi is just naturally talented. Well, yeah, kind of the same thing in videography. Some people naturally are very good in this stuff, but still, people that put in the work, people that are hardworking, always learning, still become very good and still start making good videos. So, put in the work, that's all I'll say. Don't compare yourself to others. Just put in the work and you'll get to that place that you want to be. So that's it, guys, for this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, anything, leave them down below in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond to you. Remember, if you're new here, please subscribe. Thank you. Follow me on Instagram at Shot by Chuka to see my latest works, and we'll see you again in the next video. Now, we're not doing that in 2020, we're leaving that in 2019. So let's go. Nah, that was lame. Let's go. Tip number 3. I don't have a tip number 3. Let me think. What mistake did I make when I started again? Chuka think. Oh, I remember. If you have any suggestions and any cool way you think I can end my videos, please let me know. Other than this normal, there should be things better than that. Let's leave that behind. Let's not bring it to 2020. Won't I may still do once in a while, but thank you. Have a beautiful 2020, guys. This is your year to shine. Let's go.